Hello and welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. My name is Kit Beaudry and today I'm aboard a 2011 40 Monterey that has IPS diesel power. We're going to take you on a brief quick walkthrough and show you some great features on this boat. I'm starting up on the bow with a great sun pad. All your guests can enjoy up here. And I'm going to walk down the gunnel and take you to the transom. And notice you can walk down both sides of this gunnel very easily. And I'm going to take you to the swim platform where the party really starts back here on this 40 Monterey. We have the full enclosure on right now. We'll take you inside the cockpit, but you have a nice sun pad up under here, which you'll see inside the cockpit in just a minute. But I come a step aboard. As you come into the cockpit, you'll see very, very clean interior. A complete wet sound stereo system, which has been upgraded on this boat. All original upholstery. Air-conditioned cockpit, which is very rare on a 40-foot boat. Stepping to the helm, you'll see this, like I said, a Volvo Penta powered IPS, which is going to be pods. Raymarine E97 chart plotter, but it has built-in autopilot. Step down below in the cabin, show you some more great features. In this 40 Monterey, it's a 2-stateroom, 2-head boat. You have your Ford VIP with your day head. And then also you have in the aft a true bunk room with another head. And a spacious galley for all of your guests to enjoy down here and sleep 4 people comfortably all the time. We'd like to thank you for watching this video, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com. Thank you.